Hello, we're the John McCusker Trio. We're very excited to be playing music in Wales. We're going to be in Aberystwyth at the Art Centre on the 2nd of July. We look forward to seeing you.
Delia, oh Delia, where have you been so long? Everyone loves that Delia, but now she's dead and gone. Delia's gone, one more round.